I'm going to try something new this year with this season's videos. I'm going to make reference to the comments section below for further discussion in a lot of cases. Most of my videos have utilized this interactive approach in the past, but not in an official capacity like I'm doing now. Therefore, I may not explain something as thoroughly as I would have in the past in the actual video. I am starting to see a great base of regular subscribers who routinely join in with very compelling comments and discussions. I will join in when asked, so let's keep it clean and respectful. All are welcome to join in, but keep in mind, most of the regular players in the comments have had experiences and encounters with these beings themselves. This channel is dedicated to these people who have learned that curiosity is much better than fear and loathing. So don't come stumbling in like some drunkard trying to barge your way into an AA meeting just to rub our noses in it. Have the same respect you would have if asked to sit in on any 12-step program where the people there are just trying to share and heal together. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell to get notifications when I post a new video.